Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing a new game that I got like maybe 2 days ago called I Am Cat. I see this game mainly on a lot of VR things, and if you want it is $15. Either you can get it through the mobile app or on your Oculus. But y'all just gonna see me mess around. I might kill Grandma, maybe. Let me go show y'all the person taking care of me. It's her. Hello. By the way, guys, you can kill her like this. Let me make it up here. Alright, guys, I just killed her. I gotta run. Also, on your watch, if I can turn it on. Whoa. Oh, wow. I finished all the quests, and I am Cat. Oh no. Mug. Gimme! Whoops, Grandma. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. God. There we go. I killed her, guys. Okay, guys, and maybe we can like cook some food. Yeah, let's cook. Let me cook right now, guys. I'm actually a pro chef in this game. Don't believe me? Hold up. Oh no. Huh? Okay, guys, how am I gonna do this? And maybe I can like put some chicken in there. Ugh. Then she killed me. There you go, Grandma. Grandma, what the? Grandma! I think I made Grandma mad. Oh, God. Let's go make some food. Open the fridge. Also, this isn't my usual content, but I really like this game. But no, don't break anything. I don't need no Grandma to get stuck and then I get trapped and I die. Also, if you don't want to hold things and climb up it, you can put it in your mouth, like this. Okay. Hold up. I need to fix. Oh no, guys. Come on. Oh no, my chicken. Sorry, Grandma. Being a little noisy. Get this out of here. Sorry, guys, my grandma. Give me the chicken. One of them fell. She's watching TV. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, if you get out your claws, you can actually scratch things. No, my chicken! It all fell over. Chicken, go. And then, guys, I don't know what to do. I'll probably burn toast and I'll end the video. But if you guys want to see more content on this, y'all can just like comment and just be like, more of I Am Cat, please. Or just say anything about me playing any sort of game, or a game maybe, and then I'll play it.
Help me! Help!
And my brother's screaming in the background.
Help me! Someone!
Let's go. Oh god, my VR. Okay. Now we take it off. Ah. Okay. And now we made delicious chicken. And we're gonna go ahead and put it on the table with maybe a side of 2 bread. 2 chicken, 2 bread. Sounds good. I'm a really good cook, by the way, guys. Okay, well, that's cooking. Let's go ahead and get out our trusty cutie pie. Now, let's grab one piece of chicken and another. Yes, I dropped it. Okay. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look disgusting? Let's maybe get something else. Oh, I know. Maybe a side of some cooked and sliced tomato. You guys feel me? I can't really climb. Can't really jump. Grab the knife. Shink. Hold up. Shing, shing. Sorry, guys. Ah! Yeah. Get that chicken out of it. Oh, God. All I hear is my brother losing his mind. Huh? Sorry, guys. My brother was losing his mind a bit. Where is my arm? And I just dumped it all. That's cool. You know what? Now I think I'll just have a whole plate of chicken. Of just chicken. Literally just chicken. Chicken. My brother's losing his mind again. I'll put it in the sink. And now we grab the plate. Grab the chicken. Put the chicken on a plate. Do this. This. And boom. And now we eat up.
Why am I purple? Why am I purple?
Eat the dirt! Is it not cooked enough? I mean, it sucks. You know what? Not. Screw my favorite plate. Sorry, Grandma. Whatever. Okay, guys. What we're gonna do is we're gonna knock out Grandma to get her off of the couch. Alright, and now that we've done what we're gonna do next. Oh no. Oh God. Oh no, Grandma, I'm so sorry.
Brian, did you know that you double click it? Double click it?
Haha, Grandma. Ugh.
Or said, can I join the main PC? I don't know.
Pop the balloon. What the? That's not right. That is so good. Duh. I almost died there. Guys, we need to save this little fishy first, and then I'll feed all the fishies.
You should make a geeks video of things that things probably like. Because I have one, and it's about the instruments.
Swim!
Guys, I'm
Alright.
by the way, because I'm about to talk about the board.
Okay, guys. That'll probably be the end of the video. I'll see y'all later. Hope y'all have a pretty good day. First, let me kill Grandma. Also, guys, if you ever install this game and you need help, because one of the last quests, it's pretty hard to find this. I had to search it up. Because I actually wasn't that hard. So basically, you come upstairs, come over here, climb, and then, boom, there's a USB. And I'll show you where to put the USB. As y'all saw at the beginning of the video, there was like a computer-looking thing. So basically, you want to go over there? See this? Okay. Okay. Now you grab the USB, plug it into this port. Not this one, because look. Does work, but this one does. And the code for it is 0426. You can find it behind those books over there. And look. There's a file called Prawn. It has a password. If y'all find the password, please tell me it. And look, I'll even prove it. 0426, login password, denied. Let's try and find some cooking recipes, shall we, guys? Escape. Boom. Oh my god. Okay. Dang it. Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. But before we leave, I am going to destroy the piggy bank. Yippee! Grandma! No. Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. Goodbye. Make sure y'all subscribe.